Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today Jeremy and I are out at Mclean Creek. We're going to run top of the world trail. We're going to do the front side. We're going to do a little comparison, 40s versus 37s, see if they make much of a difference. There's a few obstacles on this trail, so we're going to play on the rocks and see what happens. So as mentioned, today we're doing top of the world. Top of the world has 3 different ways to get up. There's the front side, the back side, and then what's known as Dragon's Back. Today we're doing the front side of top of the world. It starts at trail marker number 92. This is a frequently used trail, and there's a few technical obstacles on its way. At trail marker number 92, you're going to start heading east. From here, you can go to trail marker 96 to 98 to 104. At 104, you can either choose to go down the steep hill and up the other side, or take the bypass from 104 to 112 to 108. Once you're past 108, you're going to make your way to 114. At this point, you're going to go north and head towards 72, and this is what's considered top of the world. The first obstacle is a set of rock ledges. With good tire placement, most vehicles can make it up. There's different lines to make it more challenging. This next section can get pretty muddy depending time of year and weather conditions. There's a pretty steep climb to get out of this one full of roots, which requires bigger tires and good ground clearance. There is a bypass to the right. As we make our way from trail marker number 108 to 114, there's a few ledges that you must climb up. Once you get past the last ledge, there will be a bypass that goes to the right, and if you continue straight, you'll get to a good set of rock ledges. After having some fun on the ledges or either taking the bypass, you're going to see trail marker 114. From here, you're going to head north. Just before you hit trail marker 72, there's going to be a trail to the right that takes you up to the top of the world. From here, you're going to have an awesome view. So we made it up to the top of the world. Not a bad view up here, which we'll get the drone out and show you. On the way up, I was having some locker issues, so front locker was working sometimes, not disconnecting sometimes, so I gotta take a look at that. But as far as the comparison between the 40s and 37s, basically we both made it up fairly easy on everything, so real no true comparison, but another either or, definitely lots of fun. So yeah, anyways, thanks for checking it out. We're gonna hang out up here and have a quick little barbecue. What do we got on the toolbox grill today? Not bad, some burgers.